favorite color is blue. It's been that way since I started missing you. And seeing you around, it doesn't really help me out. It doesn't make my life any easier. But wishing you were still in my arms, holding my hand, and not just some old picture on my Instagram. It comes in waves, in waves, in waves. They roll on. It comes in waves, in waves, in waves. They roll on. Hope that it's hard to tell. It sucks to say, but this, it still hurts like hell. I look for you in everything that I see. I wonder if you ever find yourself still thinking about me, thinking about me. Cause since you've been gone, I thought that I'd move on and maybe learn how to actually love someone. I'm not sure I can love anyone.